I'll take you to the ground floor of the Rakue building? Rake building? I don't know. Join us as we explore Kyoto's designer fashion scene, from luxury bags and clothing shops, including Converse, to a hidden second floor filled with more high-end apparel, accessories, and beautifully crafted home goods. We'll wrap up at Starbucks Kyoto, where the cherry blossom season is making its presence felt. You might even catch a glimpse of Snoopy in 2 shops. Let's go. And they have some really fancy shops, like this bag shop from Kobe. We'll take a peek inside. Some very special wallets on displays and some actually really cute handbags in the back. I asked if they have anything that doesn't have leather on it. I guess these ones, for those of you who prefer not to use leather. But yeah, there's this, but the buckles got leather. Interesting. So cute.
ケースなんですが、こちらも革は使ってないですね。
なるほど。
はい、
ありがとうございます。ありがとうございました。There's this fancy store. They have Moncler. Some funky dresses. Guess it's a brand from New York. That's a bit pricey. What is this? I do not know what this is. It's like a bag? Oh, it's a bag? Oh, neat. Oh, it's like a cell phone holder. And they have kind of tubby, like little ballet slippers. That's unique. What's interesting is that they're made in Paris. These are little itty bitty bags. Ooh, itty bitty bags with a big price. I've never really looked in here before because just looking from the outside, it looks like I can't afford this yet. Ideally, I'd like to buy like good quality clothes and stuff that lasts forever. This is such an interesting fabric. It's kind of paper almost, or ribbon. Ooh, I have good taste. It's very expensive. Wow. Ooh, I accidentally got my bag stuck on this door. It's a nice sweater. Some beautiful accessories. It's a bit too beautiful for me. We've got the Converse store. I wonder what's in here. That's cute. Kind of like it. I wonder how much it is. It is $200. is it?
This item is size 2 size.
わかりました。ありがとうございます。あー、かわいい。
スマートフォンとかと入れるような、そういうバッグになってるんです。
おいくらですか？
これを税込み12,600
12,600
円。
円。おー。
今うち会員登録とかしていただくと500円引きでお買い上げできる。
ああ。それいつでもそうです。
いや、2月中だけ。
2月中、考えておきます。かわいい。キラキラがかわいいですね。
こういう感じで紐ついてるんで、こういう感じで肩掛けて
めっちゃいい。
だけどぜひ
いやいやいや、今日は買えない。つけたら買っちゃうんですよ。ありがとうございます。キラキラがめっちゃいいよ。でもありがとうございます。This is a famous Kyoto company. Guess they're doing a collab.
これも普通のもうあれと同じお色で
ポケットちょっとジッパーもありますね。
長ポケットございますよ。
お
2つぐらい
お。
ジップ付きのやつと
なるほど。これはおいくらですか？
これはあれよりちょっとだけ高いですけど、そんなに13,750円。
ほとんど一緒ですね。
ほとんど一緒です、
考えておきます。
はい。
ありがとうございます。I'm gonna have to leave before I buy something. And this is this nice shop. I'm not gonna go inside necessarily. Got some interesting bug necklaces. Yeah. So that's the first floor. Ooh. Actually, that's kind of cute. We're only window shopping today. Plain people. That's really interesting. Okay, so now I am going to meet someone for coffee on the second floor. So here we go. Do a little walk around here. They have these really cute sparkly shoes. It's a curve. They have a lot of unique stuff on the second floor. Perfumes and lotions. Yeah, that's funky. Some nice shoes. That's kind of cute. Tucked in. With the red sweater. Ooh, zebra. Come on, with me. Okay, that's one shop. Here's another. It's a lot of winter stuff and this and some coats and some scarves. I don't know, not much of it. It's buy two, 10% off. There's another shop here. They've got big Snoopy stuff here. Interesting. This is a really nice store. It's called Plaza Alex Lifestyle Factory. It's got some nice bags. This wouldn't stand up the test of time the way I use a bag. All sorts of fun snacks. They've got Japanese whiskey, chocolates, perfect. Ooh, mushroom shaped chocolates. That's cute. Little tags for your animals. What is Sugra? Oh, it's like very warm slip-on shoes. Sunglasses. That's nice. There's all sorts of knickknacks here. Got umbrellas. This is a great place to get gifts, huh? Let the music on. This is so soft. And there's something special about this. It's called a Sukaru brush, a Scotto brush. I've never heard of that, but it feels very soft. Some more glasses. What's this? Look at the artist. Sparkly bag. Gosh, I'm like a mosquito going towards the light. I love sparkly things. It says it's on sale, but it's not so bad. Yeah, I think I need to remember this place for when I want to buy a gift and just want to go to one spot and don't have a lot of time. They even have these nice fragrances based on your star sign. Aww, the solar cat. Ooh, it's a battery and a carabiner at the same time. That's cool. It's good for hiking. They've got everything in here. It's like a specialty shop for everything. Hats. What is this? I don't know, but I like it. Some interesting toiletries. Ooh, minted rose balm. And sparkly things. Stuffed animals. Some pajamas. Oh my gosh. These are great. Oh, this looks so nice. Though I'm gonna buy me some silk pajamas because, like I said, I'm into silk lately. If anyone wants to send me silk, oh, it's cute. It comes with a little thingamabob. Beautiful glasses. A scooper thing. What is that called again? Frog capsule incense. Interesting. about this place? A beautiful bento box made out of bamboo. Wow, that's unique. It's really nice. You've got nice things in here. And alcohol. Alright. So that's that shop. There's some other cute shops here. A lot of clothing shops and accessories. And there's a Starbucks right there. Just a glimpse. Some kids' clothes. Those are cute. I'm not going to go into these ones. I'll just let you have a little glimpse. And that's it. Time for my date. The window seat. My friend is running late. Ta-da. So that's lucky. That was the berry yogurt and berry granola and foamy matcha latte. Here's the view of the door for my seat. It's perfect because I'm waiting for my friend to arrive. They have these nice seats too. I think one girl is passed out over here.